How to find your personal information on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your personal information on Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it and click on your profile. Scroll down and you're gonna find account setting, click on it, and here you're gonna find the first option, which is manage information about you and your account in general, and you have personal information. Update your name, phone number and email address, whatever you want. Click on it and you can see all your personal information. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.